Introducing the Canada 2024 Peace Dollar, a shining tribute to peace and universal human rights. Canada's pulsating ode to peace is back for 2024, now with stunning yellow gold plating. Discover a remarkable coin that encapsulates Canada's enduring commitment to universal human rights and world peace. In 1957, before becoming Prime Minister of Canada, Lester B. Pearson was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for organizing the first UN peacekeeping force. Ever since, UN peacekeepers have been instrumental in de-escalating conflicts and saving lives worldwide. This legacy of peace and international cooperation is beautifully reflected on the reverse of the Canada 2024 Peace Dollar. Key features: yellow gold plating, new for 2024, adding an uplifting burst of color to our ultra-high relief UHR portrait of peace. The yellow gold plating is a symbol of hope for a peaceful and prosperous future. Ultra-high relief UHR technology takes the allegory of peace to greater heights by adding extra depth and detail. The result is a breathtaking representation of peace, PAX. Specifications: weight, 1 ounce, 31.39 g, of pure silver. Metal, pure silver with selective yellow gold plating. Finesse, 99.99%. Features: highly reflective proof finish for exceptional detail. Mintage, limited to just 7,000 coins worldwide. Certificate, includes a serialized certificate. Mint, the Royal Canadian Mint. Diameter, 36.15 millimeters. Packaging: your coin comes encapsulated and presented in an elegant black Royal Canadian Mint branded clamshell, accompanied by a black beauty box. It's the perfect addition to any coin collection or a thoughtful gift for someone who values the message of peace and universal human rights. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of this exquisite tribute to peace. The Canada 2024 Peace Dollar is not just a coin, it's a powerful symbol of Canada's commitment to a more peaceful world. Order yours today on zenica.ca and be a part of this legacy of hope and unity. Make the Canada 2024 Peace Dollar yours and join us in celebrating peace, prosperity, and universal human rights. Elevate your collection with Zenica, where quality meets craftsmanship, your coin capsule holder of choice. Visit us at zenica.ca.